Welcome, in front of me is a VIVO Y70, and today I'll show you how to record your screen. And to get started, simply pull down the notification panel, expand it, and look for the toggle, which for me is right here, record screen. And before you tap on it, you want to hold it. This will take us to the settings where we can change it a little bit. So we have record sound, we have none, it looks like that is the default, but we can change it to system or microphone, so select whichever one you want. Picture quality, looks like by default it's to medium. We can change it to high. This will increase the fidelity of the image quality, but if you're struggling with space, you can keep it at the recommended or even drop it to low. I would strongly discourage that. And from there, I'll simply call it a day. That's primarily all you want from the settings here. You can also disable the touch input recording. So basically what it does is whatever you press the display, it will create a gray dot on the display that is going to be recorded, just so someone else can gauge where you have been pressing the display, because, well, they can only see the display, not your finger, really. So once that's all set, simply go back to the toggle, and this time instead of holding it, tap on it. It looks like it opens it up anyway, so start screen recording, and as you can see, it automatically starts. And whatever I'll do right now is going to be recorded. Now once you're done, make sure you tap on it and tap on the square right there to stop the recording. As you can see, screen recording file saved, and that recording can be found in the photo gallery. Photos, there we go. And there's only one. So let's tap on it. Actually, no, that's not it. There we go. So that's the recording. Now give it a second. I assume, yep, it is playing. As you can see, this is the recording. And that's about it. And as also, if you've seen it, there, it doesn't really show every time. I'm not sure. It looks like it's bugged out, but you can see in certain cases it is visible, that dot, but it's just, I think something is off with it. It should be showing for the entirety of the time, but this one looks like it's just barely registering. But in any case, that is how you record your screen. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.